Are you looking for a community in Charlotte, North Carolina that feels perfect for Goldilocks? In other words, it's not too big, not too small, but it feels just right. Well, today we're heading to a community and a home that is just like that. Stick around to see where we're going next. I'm Yadi Karina Jones, a local real estate agent with Keller Williams Select here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Every week, I check out different parts of Charlotte, different neighborhoods, and different homes to give you a taste of what it's like to live in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd love for you to do that now so you can continue to learn more about the good, the bad, and the ugly of living in the Queen City. Now, let's check out this brand new construction community by Meritage Homes. Today, we're headed to Pineville, North Carolina, which is 15 minutes southeast of Uptown Charlotte and 17 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport. It has about 10,000 residents, and it's known for the Carolina Place Mall, its thriving downtown, and its highly sought-after schools. In Pineville, just off of Main Street, you'll find a community called Preston Park by Meritage Homes. What stood out to me about this community is that I have so many clients that don't want a townhome, but they also don't want a massive single-family home. And this community fits the mark. Preston Park by Meritage Homes is actually in its second phase. It has about 100 homes left to sell, and the prices range anywhere from the mid-400s to the upper 400s. You'll also find that there are two floor plans here, the Oxford 2 and the Brighton 2, and they range anywhere from 1,800 square feet to 1,920 square feet. The builder is currently offering incentives if you get in now. The floor plan that we're touring today is called the Oxford 2. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a loft upstairs. One thing you're not going to get in this community is a backyard, and that's because you have a rear-facing garage. But Meritage makes up for it by giving you a really nice playground and a pool with a clubhouse. In addition, you're going to get a drop zone right off of your garage, which it's remarkable that they were able to fit this in this floor plan. And it also has a gourmet kitchen with a gas cooktop. So there goes Meritage with that gas cooking again. Upstairs, that loft is something that my clients really, really like. Lofts are really important to my clients. And there's a split plan that has the primary bedroom on one side of the house and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house, and it's split by that loft. I think you're really going to like that upstairs. It's really well laid out. Of course, as always, Meritage's claim to fame is that they use spray foam insulation to really keep your energy costs down. Now, let's check out the rest of the tour. So what did you think of that upstairs? Please let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in this townhome or this community, feel free to reach out to me using the contact information below. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm Yadi Karina Jones, a real estate agent with Keller Williams Select here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.